restoration is refurbishing the headlights to almost new specifications. The reason for restoring them is you get a better clarity. Obviously it helps with the safety, driving at night, being able to see more clear. Yes, any vehicles, regardless of make or model, pickup, truck, SUV. They work, they're just a quick fix because it's not putting the UV coating, you're putting a solution over it which wears down too. Just any of them do, but it's just a quick fix.
For that drunk guy, ask the variety, turn the music down. Turn the music down. No beer for that drunk guy, ask the variety, turn the music down.
Give us a call at 702-558-2450.